The central government has informed that 7 Indians were kidnapped from Libya on September 14. They are the natives of Indian states Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, Gujarat and Uttar Pradesh. But all the 7 are safe and keeping well, and the Indian government is making all-out efforts to secure their release. External Affairs Ministry spokesperson Anurag Srivastava said at a media briefing on Thursday. The Indians were kidnapped from a place called Ashwarif in Libya. They were working at a construction and oil field supplies company and were kidnapped on their way to the Tripoli airport to catch a flight to India. The Ministry of External Affairs official added that the abducted Indians' employer had been contacted by the kidnappers and shown photographs as proof that the Indian nationals were safe in their custody and keeping well. The government is in touch with their family members and would like to assure them that we are making all efforts in consultation and coordination with the Libyan authorities and the employer to find out our nationals and secure their release from captivity at the earliest, Srivastava said. The Indian official further said, our embassy in Tunisia, which handles matters relating to the welfare of Indian nationals in Libya, has sought the help of the Libyan government and the international organizations present there for rescuing our nationals. In September 2015, an advisory was issued by the Government of India for Indian nationals to avoid travelling to Libya in view of the security situation there. Later, in May 2016, the government imposed a blanket ban on travel in Libya. This ban is still in effect. By the way, this is not the first time when Indians are abducted from this North African country. There was a similar incident in 2015, but India was able to get them released. The External Ministry spokesperson clarified that in the present case also all options will be explored for the speedy release of the 7 Indians. Libya, an oil-rich country, has been a hotbed of violence and unrest since the fall of Muammar Gaddafi's 4-decade rule in 2011. News Desk, Kaumudi English.